Oh, yeah.
Woo, good one. Okay, show me some good bounces.
Get there at 9, but and he helped get that all up and all. He loves coming down and helping Jack. So.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of bouncing?
Get it.
My favorite part is when I bounce
See, usually gives me a nice riding.
Yeah, what's your favorite part, Steven?
Yep, and this will be the last chance. I mean, really.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got to do it.
Yeah, because tomorrow's going to be nice, but everybody will be working.
I go like
Yep. So.
this.
Yeah?
I
I flip,
but if I do,
and that's my favorite part.
Okay, do that one then.
half hour late.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
You ready?
So I'm
Like
getting
this.
all the time into the woods that I can, you
And
know.
mine goes
I'll be
like,
right there.
How's yours go?
like this.
Oh, and then you jump up on your feet?
Yeah.
Go, good one.
You got to bounce higher.
There you go. Can you do that one, Steven?
No.
Try it.
Try it.
I bet you can. Show him how you done it.
Bounce on your butt.
Like this.
Oh, see? You just pull your feet back up on.
Almost.
Almost.
One more try.
Right back up.
Oh, almost.
You're going to bonk yourself in the chin. Ooh. I remember in junior high we had this in gymnastics and all. Of course, I was always a big dude back then too.
Oh, good flip.
I did
You
it.
know, and I hated it. Oh, I hated it. There you
Whoa.
go.
Whoa, he just did one in the air.
That was
I got it on
cool.
video and everything.
Watch. You
Just
Look
make
at
sure
watch
you
it,
got enough
back up.
room for it.
back up and watch him.
Wow.
Man.
I know. I was like, whoa, did he just do that?
I know. It's like,
There.
I know the static electricity.
Holy cow.
My head didn't even touch
No.
this.
No, I didn't.